Hey guys, we received this EVERFUN gym bag. It's a duffel bag with a shoe compartment and a wet pocket for towels, sports, boxing, or any other workout or for your weekend trip. So let me just open it and show it to you. So this bag's you can see like impression. It's a nice waterproof material here, nice design, a shoe compartment in the bottom, and then from the top you can see like a good size and the zipper and the handles. So there are two way for the handle as well. So long strap and the small ones. And this is the shoe compartment. So you can put it in your shoe or your wet towels or stuff here. So it's a waterproof inside material and it's a great and you can also use it on your travel. You can hold in the stuff. So the side pocket as well. This is also waterproof for your towels and your some gadgets or paper. And the side zipper pocket as well. So this is a waterproof packet there you can use your wet towels also. And so it's a basically a very nice design and the side pockets to put in your stuff. And then you can put in a lot of stuff here. Is almost like a small luggage carry-on bag. And you can see like this is one is here and then the waterproof on the top. With the side pocket and the extra like for the luggage strap in the back that you can use. So good size space. Let's put in some stuff. So after putting in the stuff, it's hold almost a luggage size, like carry-on size things, and then it's easy to take and carry. You can also put on the sides like this long strap if you want. And this is the shoe compartment where you can put it in your shoes. So it's totally separate from your other stuff. So if you have a messy shoes, you can just or dirty shoes, you can put it in here in the wrap, or these are the easy to put in this handle and just carry with this long strap. So your long strap or the small handles, whatever you want to use, inner pocket, outside, waterproof pockets, shoe compartment, and a great bag with the back luggage thing.